Today, we are on site at Kajang Technology City, Selangor, where an important construction project is in progress to develop three-storey factory lots. This project involves structural foundation work that requires precise and efficient cutting of reinforced concrete piles. To meet this challenge, the contractor selected the COOLMAN 9-inch Ghost laser-welded diamond blade, used together with a Makita 9-inch electric grinder. The piles being cut are grade 50 reinforced concrete with a diameter of 150 millimeters and a cutting depth of 3 inches. Each pile contains 4 steel rebars, each with a 9 millimeter diameter, making this a demanding cutting application. From the very first cut, the COOLMAN Ghost blade showed professional level performance. A 150 millimeter cutting line at 3-inch depth was completed in just 40 seconds, which is significantly faster than the blade previously used on site. The cutting action was smooth, stable, and well controlled, with minimal vibration throughout the process. This reduced stress on the grinder, helping to prevent machine damage and improving overall operator safety. When cutting through the steel reinforcement, the blade maintained consistent speed and control. The 9 millimeter rebars were cut cleanly and smoothly, without sudden jerks, kickback, or loss of balance. This smooth cutting performance improved productivity and gave the operator greater confidence during operation. Lower vibration also reduced worker fatigue, allowing continuous cutting with better efficiency. According to the contractor, the COOLMAN Ghost blade is much faster than their previous brand and delivers a noticeably more refined cutting experience. The contractor expressed strong satisfaction with the blade's speed, stability, and durability, especially when working on reinforced concrete piles. This project at Kajang Technology City clearly demonstrates that for demanding pile cutting applications, the COOLMAN 9-inch Ghost laser-welded blade delivers fast cutting, smooth performance, and professional results that contractors can rely on. COOLMAN Ghost. Fast, smooth, built for professionals.